What's going on, guys? Repairs and reviews here. Got a lawnmower for you that I'm contributing to the Worst Lawn Mower in the World challenge. Now, I don't know what you would consider worst, because it is in fairly decent shape. It's got a flat tire. It's a little dirty. Let's take a look here. It's got 261 hours. It's got the lovely Kohler Courage 20 horsepower. And it seems to be leaking some oil. So we're gonna see what's going on here. Now it runs, it drives, it moves when the tire is full, and it even cuts grass. But we got a slight issue, so we're gonna see. I'll show you what's going on. As you can probably see, the block is cracked. The block is cracked. And I do believe it is cracked on either side. There's a crack here, and I believe there's a crack on the other side, and it's not all the way through yet, but it is cracked to the point where every time the piston goes, the entire cylinder and head move with it. I hope you could tell in that video. I saw it on camera. I think it's pretty obvious. But yeah, every time the piston moves up and down, the cylinder and the head and pretty much half the engine wants to go with it. But, you know, other than that, I can still cut grass with it. So that is my contribution to the worst mower in the world. Been Repairs and Reviews. Thanks for watching.